Hey guys, in this video we're going to put together a popular shelving unit that can be found on Amazon.com. I'll make sure that I leave a link in the description below. This is what it looks like. But before we get started, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get going. So for this whole project, you don't need a drill or anything like that. You need one tool, an Allen wrench, and they provide it. So this looks to be pretty easy. I'm kind of excited about it. So let's see how it gets put together. Okay, so we're to this point where we're putting on the side parts of the shelf, and you'll see that there's two sides and they are different. A smooth side, you have a side that shows this X that's a little bit more inset. This is going to be the outside of the shelf, where the shelves are going to butt up against the smooth side. So let's do that. So I have to say, this has to be the absolute easiest shelf that I have ever put together in my life. By myself, with one tool that was provided, the Allen wrench, I was able to put this together in like 15 minutes. And it was simple, zero issues whatsoever, which absolutely floors me. The shelf feels very sturdy and it looks great, and I'm extremely happy with it. So don't forget, I will leave the description, beep, beep. So don't forget, I will leave a link in the description below, and I appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to like, and I will see you guys next time.